Hi, welcome to Artist Documentation. In this video, you will learn that how to solve the functional problem inside the mathematics. So here today our first problem is find the domain and range of the function f of x equal 1 over x minus 2. So here we know that the function will not be defined when the denominator is 0. So here we will consider x minus 2 equals 0, and here we will get x equal 2. So we can now consider the function can be defined for all real value of x except x equal 2. So here the domain will be minus infinite to union 2 and infinite. So here we know the x value is 0. So for the coordinate of y, there is x value will be 0. So the range will be minus infinite and 0 union and 0 infinite. So this is the range. So now today our next problem will be if f of x equal 2x plus 1 and g of x equal x power 2 minus 3, find fog of x and gof of x. So here fog means f of g of x, and here gof means g of f of x. So here first we can consider, so first one, the g of x equal x square x power 2 minus 3. So here f of x power 2 minus 3, and here the function will be f of x equal 2x. So here we need to replace the x value by x power 2 minus 3. So here 2 times x power 2 minus 3 plus 1. So now we will get 2x power 2 times x power 2 minus 2 times 3 plus 1. So 2x power 2 minus 3 times 2 equals 6 plus 1. So here negative 5 and positive 1. So we will get minus 5. And the second one will be f of x. So here consider g of f of x value will be 2x plus 1. Here the function g of x equal x square x power 2 minus 3. So here x power 2 minus 3, so we need to replace the x value by 2x plus 1. Here the x power 2, so here 2x plus 1 power 2 minus 3. Okay, so here 2a plus b whole square. So here 2x over 2 plus 2 times 2x plus and 1 plus 1 over 2 minus 3. So we will get here, sorry, here is a mistake. So this will be power 2. Okay, so now we will get 4 times x power 2 plus 2 times 2 equal 4 times 1 4 and times x plus 1 over 2. So it's 1 and it's negative 3, so we will get 2. So now we can take a common of 2, so we will get 2x power 2 plus 2x plus 1. So this is the answer, and this is the of answer. So now today our next problem will be find the inverse function of x f of x equal 3x minus 4 over 5. So first we will consider the y equal 3x f of x equal y, and 3y equal 3x minus 4 over 5, and according to the same x coordinate, so x equal 3y minus 4 over 5. So for this number one equation we will multiply 5 for the both side. 5 multiply for both side, okay. So here 5y equal 3x minus 4, and it's a 5, okay. 5y equal 3x minus 4. So we need to find out the value of y. We need to do this for the second equation. Here also 5 multiply for both sides. Here 5x equal 3y and minus 4, and here we will add 4 for both sides. So 5x plus 4 equal 3y, and here y equal 5x plus 4, here a reciprocal flip, and here we will get 5x plus 4 over 3. So now we can say f inverse of x equal 5x plus 4 over 3. This is the answer. So today our next problem will be, so here evaluate f of minus 2, f of 0 and f of 3 for the given piecewise function. So here the combined function, you can see the first one will be x power 2 plus 1 whether the x value less than 0, and the second function will be 2x, you mean when the x value will be less than 0, then the f of x function will satisfy by x power 2 plus 1, and whether the x value will be greater equal 0, so that time the function f of x will be satisfied by 2x 2 times x minus 3. So here you can see minus 2 will be less than 0, so f of minus 2, the function will be first one x squared, so we need to replace x by minus 2 power 2 plus 1, okay. So we will get 4 plus 1 equal 5. The second one will be 0, so the x value will be 0, so x greater equal 0, so this function will be satisfied. So here x of 0, here the x value will be replaced by 0, so 2 times 0 minus 3, so here we will get the value minus 3. And the third one f of 3, the 3 value will be greater than 0, so here also the second function, so 2 times 3 minus 3 equals 6 minus 3 equal positive 3. So these are the three functions. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. For our next tutorial we will solve some algorithmic functional problem. So thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will be helpful for your practice purpose, and if you like to join our private group to practice more and get the free materials, you can join our Facebook group AIO Competitive Exam, and you can also visit our page, the edu bar, and also you will get the edu bar on Tumblr also. You can follow us by Tumblr, Facebook group and Facebook page. So goodbye and see you again for the next video.